Alright fellas, today's shoulder day and I started with shoulder presses, side lateral raises, and then I went to front raises. I did 3 sets of 10 reps, alright? But I did a HIIT workout, so there was no rest in between. I left from the shoulder press to the lateral raises and straight to the front raises. So this is me just doing my shoulder routine. It's a little intense, but if you want to try it, you're welcome. And then have some fun. Now we're gonna get into shrugs and uh, split front rolls. All right. That's set number one. Now I'm gonna do it for set number two. All right. We're doing 10 reps. These suckers burn, guys. Okay, you wanna build big shoulders? Here's how you do it. Put in that work, okay? All right, that's set number two. We got one more set. That's set number three. And we're done. We're gonna be switching to different exercises. I'm gonna take these dumbbells back, okay? Now I got it 15 pounds. We're gonna do a little bit of complementary shoulder work, okay? You're gonna come from the side right here. You're gonna go out. Try to aim for 10 reps. Make sure you lock your elbows, alright? Keep your arms straight when you do this. Hold the plate from the sides and go straight out. Try to control the weight. If it's too heavy, pick a weight that you can handle. You don't want to hurt yourself, okay? We're not trying to get hurt. We're trying to build muscle. So pick a weight that works for you. And then don't get lazy. Don't slack out. pick up something that you're gonna feel as well. All right, we got one more set, so let's do it. That's the last set, guys. All right, the last two exercises we gotta do to wrap up this shoulder workout. It's gonna be super light. We're gonna use the 10 pounds, and then we're just gonna do a little isolation. All right, check this out, right? When I started this whole workout, I did not warm up in this video. But you have to remember, you have to warm up before you start your workout. All right, warm up is necessary. Try to loosen up those muscles so that you don't get injured while you're working out. So warm up, loosen up your shoulder muscles, and then get into the workout. And try this workout, man. It's not that hard, it's easy. All right, we got a 10 pounds. This is gonna be easy work. And you're gonna hold these dumbbells like that. And they're gonna go in and out. We're doing 10. Keep your elbows tucked to your body, okay? All right, now we're gonna go up. 10 also. We got 2 sets more of that, and that completes this whole shoulder routine. That was the first set, 10 on each, okay? So hang in there, and let's wrap this thing up. Got one more set, guys. One more set, and then this whole thing is over with. Hey, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. If this is the first time on my channel, my name is Abel. You know how I do it. We get sweaty here, we get fit, and we get ready. So try this workout with me. I promise you it's easy. Just make sure you start with a weight that you can handle, okay? And work with me. Let's do this. Last set, last workout in this whole routine. I think I did more than 10 on that one. I got carried away. All right, fellas. If you did this workout with me, thank you. I'm glad that you're tuning in. This was a good work. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time, okay? Stay safe and stay strong out there. Peace out.